Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 3, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your watch, basically increase it or decrease it. So let's get started. By default on your watch the automatic brightness will be enabled, and basically the watch will adjust the brightness automatically according to the surrounding light. But if you want to set the brightness manually and you want the brightness to stay at the specific level of the brightness, you can open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen like this. And once you find the brightness icon, looks like this, like a sun icon, you can tap on it, and here we have the brightness menu. Under the slider you have this A icon. This is the automatic brightness, and you can enable it or disable it. If it's blue, it means that the automatic brightness is enabled, and if it's grayish, it means that it's disabled. And if you want to set the brightness manually, you simply swipe on the slider right here. And as you can see, if you change the brightness manually, it will automatically disable the auto brightness. So at some point, if you change the brightness and you want the automatic brightness to be enabled, remember to re-enable it yourself. Okay, so let's set the brightness to something like this. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And as you can see, the brightness stays at the specific level. And it will stay like this until I change it, unless you turn the auto brightness on. And basically that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.